Might just have to buy you a little 22.
They are fun.
They definitely are.
Shoot the shoe.
Oh yeah, I'm getting ready to get the M16 22 version
Right.
just to play with it.
Oh,
Whoa!
careful, sweetie.
Keep it one.
You got
You
it.
can't see it on there.
You can't
Well,
see
you
it.
gotta.
No.
Here, let me see if I can help you.
Would you
So
like to
it
try my
gets
glasses,
me.
Lexi?
Yeah, not just
But she's left-handed, I think.
Oh, are you
If
left-handed?
she's left-handed, we'd have to block out the other eye.
Unless you want to try. I can't close
Well,
one eye. But if you want to try that, see if
I
that
think
works.
she's just nervous.
If not, we can move
Here,
the patch on the other
I'll
side.
tell you what. I'll turn these off for you. Right here. They're not. They're still safety rated, so
Yeah, that's good. That'll block that sun too.
definitely.
It warmed up pretty nice out here
It
today.
did. It really did. I wasn't sure if it was actually going to.